Ever wondered how K-pop idols always look so magnetic and unforgettable? It's more than just clothes and makeup, it's all about attitude, creativity, and confidence. In this video, we're breaking down the ultimate fashion and beauty hacks that define the idol look, from eye-catching styles to subtle details that make all the difference. Whether you're recreating a show-stopping concept look or keeping it casually chic, you'll learn how to turn your everyday style into something extraordinary. Get ready to level up your fashion game and own the spotlight. Your idol transformation starts now. Skincare. Achieving healthy, glowing skin is crucial for the K-pop idol aesthetic. Understand your skin type and concerns, then tailor your routine to address specific issues. Use products containing salicylic acid or benzoyl peroxide for acne, and establish a consistent routine including cleansing your skin twice a day, exfoliating once or twice a week, and applying a mask or treatment product as needed. Don't forget to moisturize, protect your skin from the sun, and stay hydrated. Be patient, as results take time. With consistent effort and the right products, you can achieve radiant, healthy skin. K-pop hairs. K-pop idols are known for bold, ever-changing hairstyles. Achieving this look starts with healthy hair, which can be maintained with regular deep conditioning treatments like hair masks with keratin or argan oil. For bold colors, consider consulting a professional stylist to avoid damage. Trendy haircuts like layered cuts, curtain bangs, and sleek straight hair are popular, as well as stylish finishes like glass-like straight hair, soft curls, and experimental styles. Many idols also rock playful waves or chic up dust. Pay attention to styling products and tools to achieve a polished finish. Hair accessories, like hair clips or headbands, can also add a cute touch. Healthy, well-maintained hair with a polished finish is key to an idol-like appearance. Regular trims and hair care routines will also help maintain healthy looks. K-pop fashion. K-pop fashion is about making bold statements while balancing edgy and elegant styles. Idols inspire with trendy outfits from streetwear, high fashion, and vintage styles. To capture this vibe, try oversized statement pieces, layering, and bold patterns or graphic tees. Balance bold pieces with neutral basics and add drama with chunky shoes, such as platform sneakers or combat boots, and statement accessories like earrings, rings, or berets. For a softer look, try pastel hues, plaid skirts, pleated dresses, or lace details. Confidence makes every outfit shine, so wear what makes you feel powerful. Draw inspiration from K-pop idols, Korean fashion trends, and brands like Stylenanda or Pushbutton. Follow Korean fashion bloggers and influencers to stay up to date on the latest trends and must-haves. Experiment with different styles and find what works best for you and your body type. KBeauty. Makeup in K-pop is about enhancing natural features. Start with a matching foundation, then add subtle color to cheeks, eyes, and lips. The glass skin look, achieved with a thin layer of foundation or tinted moisturizer, is also popular. Define brows using a brow pencil or powder. Complete the look. Highlight your brow bone and Cupid's bow for extra glow. Soft, natural eyeshadow and mascara add depth without looking too dramatic. Line your eyes subtly with a brown or neutral pencil. Finally, finish with a light lip gloss or tinted lip balm for a fresh, effortless look. Blend, blend, blend. A seamless finish is key to the K-pop idol makeup look. Fitness and body shape. K-pop idols' toned yet slim physiques are achieved through dance training, cardio, and careful nutrition. Incorporate dance practice into your routine and supplement with cardio like running or HIIT workouts. For muscle tone, focus on body weight exercises like Pilates, yoga, or light resistance training. A balanced diet with whole foods like lean proteins, complex carbs, and fruits and vegetables is essential. Stay hydrated for glowing skin and overall health. Remember, the goal is to feel healthy, confident, and energetic, not to meet unrealistic standards. Lifestyle and wellness. When it comes to achieving the K-pop idol aesthetic, lifestyle and wellness play a crucial role. From healthy eating habits to regular exercise and self-care routines, K-pop idols like BTS's Jungkook and Blackpink's Jennie are always prioritizing their physical and mental health. And with a little dedication and discipline, you can do the same. Remember, it's not just about the fashion or beauty trends, it's about expressing your unique style with confidence. The key is to make every look your own. Keep experimenting, stay inspired, and most importantly, have fun with your style journey. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fashion and beauty tips. Now go out there and shine like the star you are.